fry the chopped potatoes with a little oil and set aside. In the same pan, sauté the chopped carrots and then add a little sugar and boiling water to cook them. Once cooked, remove from the pan. Sauté the green peas and corn in the same pan with a little oil and set aside. Sauté the vermicelli in the same pan with a little oil until it changes color, then add a little sugar and boiling water to cook it. Once cooked, remove from the pan. Sauté the cooked and shredded chicken breast in the same pan with a little butter and biryani spice mix, then set aside. Sauté the raisins and almonds in a little oil and set aside. Cook the rice with a little salt, rice spices, and water until half cooked. Then drain the water and place the rice in a pot. Sprinkle some biryani spice mix and a little cinnamon over the rice, pour hot oil over it, and mix well with the rice. Add the fried vegetables and chicken along with half a cup of boiling water to the rice. Cover with a lid and let it simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Enjoy your meal.